Hello, wonderful viewers. Welcome back to How To, or if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our content. Today, we're diving into a topic that touches the heart: how to make her happy when she cries. It's essential to be there for your loved ones during their emotional moments. So, if you're ready to learn some ways to provide comfort and support, let's get started. Be present. The first step in making her happy when she cries is being present. Listen actively, let her express her feelings, and listen attentively without interrupting. Physical comfort: offer a reassuring touch, like a hug or holding her hand. Eye contact: make eye contact to show that you're fully engaged. Empathize and validate. Empathy and validation are powerful ways to comfort her. Empathize with her feelings, acknowledge her emotions, and let her know that it's okay to feel the way she does. Avoid judging, refrain from judgment or trying to fix the situation. Sometimes, all she needs is understanding. Validation: say something like, "I understand why you feel this way." Offer kind words. Choose your words carefully to offer comfort and reassurance. Words of affection: tell her that you care about her and that you're there for her. Compliments: offer compliments that remind her of her strengths and positive qualities. Encouragement: let her know that you believe in her and that she can overcome challenges. Provide practical support. Practical support can also make a difference. Ask what she needs, offer your help and ask what she needs, whether it's a tissue, a warm drink, or some space. Problem solving: if she's open to it, discuss possible solutions to the issue that made her upset. Be patient. Remember that healing takes time, so be patient, no rushing. Don't rush her through her emotions, let her process them at her own pace. Follow up: check in on her later to see how she's feeling, even after the immediate tears have passed. In times of tears and emotional vulnerability, your presence, empathy, and kind words can go a long way in making her feel happy and supported. It's all about showing love and understanding. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and share your own experiences or additional tips in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, take care, and may your moments of comfort and compassion bring you closer together. Thank you for joining us today on How To. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.